Welcome to this presentation of the new features of DeckCraft Bot application.
So first, let's sign in.
One might think there's not much new on the interface. I'm just finding my chat sessions again.
But look what happens if I click on my existing session. You can see that I have the deck that was generated at the right. But the new thing is that we have a new toolbar which contains two buttons. We have a Stats button and a Synergy Packs button. The Stats button provides a wealth of useful information about your deck. We can see several indicators such as the overall synergy of the deck, the proportion of inkable cards, the cost distribution curve, and the distribution of cards according to their type and color. For example, in this case, we see that I have 80% characters and 20% actions, as well as an almost equal distribution between my two colors, amethyst and amber. And just above the Inkability rate, which is quite good here, we have a synergy indicator. This synergy indicator can take three values: low, medium, and high. It calculates the average synergy between all the cards in the deck. Synergy between cards represents how often they are played together, to put it simply.
This is precisely what the second feature of the toolbar offers, the Synergic Packs. A comprehensive analysis was conducted on the most popular decks, revealing patterns of cards that frequently appear together because they interact effectively. This feature allows you to start a deck with pre-built card packs based on these patterns. Simply select two colors, et voila! You'll have a list of card packs corresponding to these colors. Each pack has a title, description, type, and play style. You also see the proportion of cards in each pack that fit into your collection. They are sorted first by overlap with your collection, then by synergy score. As you can see, this is a group of monocolored cards. It has a synergy of 84%, which is quite high. For each pack, you can see which cards make up a pack and also use it as a starting point for deck building. By clicking on the View Cards button, you can list the cards belonging to this particular pack, which is focused on songs and bodyguards. For each pack, you have a View Cards button and a Use This Pack button, which we will discuss later. Let's say I come across a pack for which I don't own all the cards. For example, here. The cards I don't own will be grayed out in the list for that pack. If I decide to use the Bypass Your Collection feature and I redo a listing of a duo of colors, I will see that I am not missing any cards for all the listed packs. Then this mode simulates the fact that you have all the cards in the game. Let's disable this feature for now. Another possibility is to search for packs using keywords. For example, the keyword princess will give me all the packs with a princess theme around which I can build my deck. We can clearly see that the tool sorts the packs based on the cards I own and then on synergies, since the pack below is ultimately more synergistic. But as I do not own all the cards, it comes in second position. You now have an idea of how the new tools work, and we'll show you how to build a deck using them in another video. See you soon!